Did you hear he put us in the same bag? I've already got sprouts.
And I've lost my crunch.
You steamed me for 15 minutes? 15? This is a crime! Call the veggie police!
In the fridge, my fat crystallizes and a white bloom appears. I lose my shine and my flavor. Cold and moisture ruin my texture.
I don't like cold and damp places. That's how I get moldy. The fridge is way too humid for garlic. Please don't put me in the fridge. I'm not made for the cold. He left me out for 2 hours. Now I'm not dinner, I'm danger. Remember, don't wash me too early. I might let microbes in. Wash me only right before cooking.